Did you know that Mount Everest is still growing? It's true. Thanks to the slow but powerful movement of tectonic plates, the Himalayas, including Everest, are being pushed upward each year. The Indian plate is colliding with the Eurasian plate, lifting the mountain by about 4 millimeters annually. That might seem small, but over centuries, it really adds up. This is one reason why Everest's height is remeasured after major earthquakes, which can slightly change its peak. So, even as the tallest mountain on Earth, Everest isn't finished rising yet.